Today we're going to be making some fried potato cakes. So I've got some onion here that I chopped up, 1 egg, black pepper, salt, taco seasoning, almost a cup of flour, onion powder, olive oil, and some leftover mashed potatoes. I think a recipe usually calls for 2 cups of mashed potatoes. That might be a little bit less what I have left over, so that's why I put a little bit less flour in the mixture, or going to put less flour in the mixture. And the olive oil is going to be used for frying the potato cakes. So I got everything in the bowl here. So I was going to tell you, you can put any spice that you want to in your patties. So I was going to show you that I've got a couple of onions left here, so I might put some chives and put those kind of onions chopped up in here as well in the mixture. So it's going to be kind of like a meatloaf. You just kind of mix it all together, and then make sure that when you have your olive oil in the pan that you have it heated up for a minute or so. Preheat it before you put the potato cakes in the pan. So I have everything mixed here in the bowl, and I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up. So we got the olive oil heating in the pan here, and it should be ready to go. I'm just going to get a big old tablespoon on the spoon here, and I'm just going to dab this in the pan. Alright, so we got this fried in the pan here, so I'm guessing probably 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You can just barely look under it to see if it's done before flipping it over. So I just flipped these over. It took a little over 3 minutes. You know, I checked underneath it just to make sure it was done on the side before I completely flipped it over. So the other side cooked pretty quick. Noticed it was done around 2 minutes. So, you know, I guess it all depends, you know, how hot your pan is, and if it's cooked on one side already. This is what it looks like. Don't that look yum yum? So I'm letting it drain here, let the grease drain a little bit. And then this is ready to eat once it cools off. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching. Take care.